Good afternoon. I was going to talk to you today about behavioural science, which is what people used to call psychology. It's essentially the study of how people actually behave rather than how they claim they behave. And I want to talk specifically about its relationship to recruitment advertising. Is that it's robust. It's not based on my opinion or someone else's gut feeling. This is based on the peer-reviewed academic evidence of some of the leading psychologists from around the world. Nobel Prize winners like Kahneman, Thaler and Herbert Simon. So we can give the findings genuine belief and credibility. And I think the way to show that these effects have a big commercial impact as well as one in the laboratory is to think of what is arguably the most effective ad campaign of all time. She showed that we tend to notice that which is distinctive. And this became known as the von Restorff or the isolation effect. You see it in recruitment advertising, the classic campaign from America, one of the most successful campaigns ever for the US Marines. Now those three examples are just three of 1,000 biases and insights that psychologists have identified. So I'm sure that whatever issue or problem you're facing at work, there will be an experiment out there that can help you solve it. Thank you.